Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you all are resonating with the right readings. Do like the channel and click on the bell icon to be notified as and when I come or I bring readings or videos. Also, you need to subscribe the channel, then only you can click the bell icon. I'm sorry, I said the wrong way. Also, if you're not a part of our WhatsApp groups where we update all our workshops and other details, then you can WhatsApp to 63806 77131 to be added to our WhatsApp group where we bring in videos and all these certain videos which we bring in new ones we share it with our WhatsApp members first. We also bring in all the updates of our new products and our new workshops too. So let's see. Now this is again pile 1 and pile 2. I shall give you all a couple of seconds to call on the divine and connect and get the guidance of which is the reading for you today, whether it is pile 1 or pile 2. So let's start pile 1. Let's see what's the first card. Okay, the 3 of Wands has come. Let's just pick another 1 or 2 cards to see what are the connecting cards. The Lovers card has come. Alright, the 7 of Coins. Overall, I feel you have been thinking a lot about money. Maybe your partner needs the money. Maybe, there is a sadness which is happening, or there's a need of money in the family, which you are trying to look out for ways to bring in more money in terms of through the basis of your work. This is what I feel when I'm seeing the card. And I feel just, this is just a passing time. You are working hard on the money part, so you will get the finances sorted, you will get the money that you're looking at, and you will be able to achieve in that. It's just that it needs some time. Maybe your partner also needs that reassurance from you that you will be able to arrange for the money that is needed at this point of time. Today I would suggest to go with the color pink, because a lot of energies are around you are making you feel low, so you need a lot of positive and self love, so the color will be pink today. And also in the morning, if you can chant Om Gam Ganapati Namaha while burning a ghee lamp in your puja room for 1 or 8 times, I'm sure Vignaharta will remove all the obstacles from your life, and you will be able to arrange for the finances that you're looking at, and you will be able to reassure and give your partner the happiness that they seek or desire. So that's the pile 1. I hope you all are resonating with the reading, so do let me know. Now let's go to the pile 2. Okay, that's a beautiful card, faith. To have faith in the divine, but let's see why the faith card has come. Okay, maybe some of you are planning some travel, or some of you are looking for some opportunities to go abroad in terms of education for some, and in terms of work for some. Today I feel you need to work on the color yellow more. Your solar plexus is completely blocked. You feel as if you are getting too much of stress related to work, related to travel. How do you handle the travel? How do you see to it that the travel is successful? At the same time, financially, how do you handle the finances so that the travel also goes well, and your finances are also, you don't even feel the pinch of the finances. I feel, because the faith card has come, I feel you need to surrender to the divine. You need to connect with the divine, and I'm sure that the God is going to help you, and the God is going to give you all the clarity. So as I said, color should be yellow, as solar plexus is completely blocked. In the morning, add a little bit of a pinch of haldi, turmeric powder, in your bath water, and have bath. And in the evening or in the morning, whenever you go out, donate 5 oranges to some needy person and feed a stray dog. Do these 2 things. So whatever it is that is you're looking for, or whatever it is that you feel needs to be cleared, or you need to get the opportunity for going abroad, that will be successful. And financially also, you will be able to handle it beautifully. Have a beautiful and a blessed day ahead.